Okay, so our topic is all about the syndicated loan. Just like what I'm saying a while ago, I was telling you that when it is syndicated, the term itself connotes something that is illegal or something that has a taste of some criminalities involved. But if you are in a banking institution, syndicated loan is something that is acceptable because you try to solicit funds coming from different banks to accommodate a one big borrower that needs a lot of funds. This is to prevent your bank from being liquid drain or cash drain. So you try to renegotiate that loan to other banks, and at the same time, you're going to earn over and above what you can provide the creditor or the debtor with the amount. Okay, my example then was ABC Corporation. Assuming that somebody, it's ABC Corporation, would need 1 billion loan. Okay, so if 1 billion loan and the borrower is willing to pay 5% interest. Okay, ABC Corporation willing to pay 5% interest. So, if one bank, say bank, anong pangalan ng bank sabihin natin? Let's not use the current banks, but they might be thinking that we are making use of them as an example, and they might mistook the discussion as something that is not appropriate to their company. Let's say Bank X. Bank X was the one negotiating with ABC company about that 5%. And Bank X told ABC company, yes, we're going to provide you 1 billion peso loan. Okay? If that is the case, Bank X will have to produce 1 billion peso loan. But it doesn't want to drain its bank from its cash so that it can accommodate depositors who intend to withdraw from them. It can accommodate other loyal clients, and therefore, what Bank X will do is to bring the loan outside its bank so that the interest will so that the amount of the loan cannot just be under its shoulder. Okay? So, Bank X can only accommodate 250 million pesos. So, if that is 1 billion, 250 million loan is a 25% of 1 billion. Is that correct? Okay. In that particular case, Bank X will earn 5% because ABC Corporation is willing to pay 5%. And then, Bank X went to Bank Y. Bank X went to Bank Y and told Bank Y that I have a client who needs 1 billion loan. What I can accommodate is only 25%. Would you want to accommodate a portion of the loan which will be paid for say that will earn an interest of 4%? What do you think? did Bank Y or did Bank X correct in trying to offer Bank Y a portion of the loan, and then Bank Y will just earn 4%, while ABC Corporation will pay Bank X 5%. What do you think?
May 1% pa rin si Bank X, ma'am.
May 1% pa rin si Bank X. So, ibig sabihin, doon sa 200, doon sa portion na kukunin ni Bank Y, hindi pa natin alam kasi kung ilan yung ika-accommodate niya, di ba? Meron na siyang kita kaagad na 1%. Okay. So, okay lang ba sa kanya na 1% lang ang kikitain niya doon? Yes or no?
Kung i-cover up na lahat ni Bank Y, ma'am, okay lang. Pero kung
We don't know eh. It's hypothetical. But when you say Bank Y will get only a portion of 1 billion, say 50%, for example. If that is a 50% for 1 billion, that makes up 500 million, which it will extend to Bank X because Bank X is the one negotiating with ABC Corporation, right? So, parang naging middleman si Bank X. Pero, ang sabi ni Bank X, oh, I'll pay you 4%, Bank Y. Was he right in saying that? Yes or no? Was it wise? Was it reasonable? Was it practical?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because, come to think
May
of
ano eh,
it,
may 1% pa rin siya, ma'am. Then plus
may
yung
1% pa rin siyang kita sa 500 million.
ma'am. Then plus yung
Okay.
client, nakuha pa rin niya.
Hindi. Kasi yung client, wala nang kinalaman kay Bank Y because it's Bank X that's negotiating it. So, as the stature of Bank X this time is going to be, aside from it a creditor to ABC Corporation, it had become also a guarantor of ABC Corporation to Bank Y and other succeeding banks that will provide and cover a portion of the 1 billion loan. Remember, if Bank X will accommodate only 250 million and Bank Y will accommodate 500 million, that makes up only 75% of the total loan, right? So, may kulang pa na 250 million pesos at hindi alam ni Bank X kung sino pa ang willing. So, he will offer that now. What if Bank X will go to Banco de Oro and offer 15 or say 150 million? Tapos, it will just pay Banco de Oro 3%. Sa palagay nyo, papayag ba si Banco de Oro? Babayaran siya ng 3%, so 150 million?
Kung si Banco de Oro, ma'am, payag. Kaso si Bank X lugi na.
Bakit lugi si Bank X? Babayaran lang niya ng 3%, ang sisingilin niya 5% eh, di ba?
Nakapag-commit na siya kay Bank Y ng 4%, ma'am eh.
Yun na nga. Kaya nga sinasabi natin syndicated loan eh, di ba? Kay Bank Y, nakapag-commit na siya ng 4%. So, ang kita lang niya kay Bank Y is 1%. Pero nung pumunta siya kay Banco de Oro, babayaran niya ito ng 3%. Pero ang sisingilin niya kay ABC Corporation, is 5%. Hindi ba mas malaki ang kita ni Bank X kung datalin niya kay Banco de Oro yung other portion ng 150 million? Remember kasi 25% lang. So ibig sabihin 250 million lang ang kayang i-shoulder ni Bank X. Tapos yung 500 million shinolder na ni Bank Y. At babayaran ni Bank X si Bank Y ng 4%. Di ba may kita na siyang 1% doon si Bank X? Nakuha mo ba? Eh di ba kulang pa yung loan, hindi pa nabuo. Bali 750 million pa lang yung nabubuo. Nakuha mo ba? Eh yung 150 kayang i-accommodate daw ng Banco de Oro kunwari. Kayang i-accommodate ng Banco de Oro 150 million pesos, babayaran siya ni Bank X ng 3%. Tama ba yung ginawa ni Bank X? At tatanggapin ba ni Banco de Oro yung 3%?
Ma'am, tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi namin na kunyari yun sa Banco de Oro is 25% din po yung kulang po. So yung
Hindi.
3% po ba nun yung interest po ba?
Hindi 25 ang i-accommodate ni Banco de Oro, 150 million lang. 150 million
Yes.
lang ang i-accommodate ni Banco de Oro at tatanggapin niya yung 150 million ay 3% interest lang. Remember, ang nakikipag-negotiate ay si Bank X. 'Di ba? So,
Yes po, ma'am.
kung hindi uh, i-renegotiate yung interest rate na pinopropose ni Bank X kay Banco de Oro, ang ibig sabihin nun, kikita si Bank X ng 2% sa 150 million. Nakuha nyo ba? You want us to put it on an Excel para para mas maintindihan? Sige, ilagay natin sa Excel Anyway, there's still time. Okay. Are you able to see? Teka, ilagay ko dito ABC. ABC Company. Share ko yung screen ABC Company. Ito. Are you able to see this now? Nakikita niyo yung Excel?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yung ABC Company. Okay, remember, it's 5 billion that we are talking about in here. Ilang zeros yon? Okay, you have your 5.
Ma'am, 1 billion lang po ata yung kanina.
Oh, 1 billion. 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion yung kanina, di ba? 1 billion. Okay. So you have it now. Okay, it's Bank X. Si Bank X, Okay. Bank X can accommodate 250 million pesos. Okay? Will earn 5%. Correct? Okay. Remember, si Bank Y will have 500 million. Okay. Will be paid. Lagyan natin yung 5% dito. Okay. Now, ito naman will be paid ilan? 4%. Ngayon, si BDO, yan, may pangalan na yung bangko natin. 150,000 lang. 150 million pala. 150 million. Okay. Ang sabi ni Bank X will give you 3%. Okay. Ngayon, may remaining pa, di ba? 100 million. Tama ba? Meron pang 100 million na remaining na hindi nakukumpleto doon sa 1 billion. Did you get that? Class?
Yes po.
Okay, 1 billion pa. 1 billion. Anong bangko pagbibigyan natin dyan? Nakilala niyong bangko. RCBC. Okay, RCBC will have 100 million now. Okay. Since si RCBC, ang gusto niya, ayaw niya ng 3%. Ayaw niya ng 3% kahit 100 million lang ibibigay. Okay. Ngayon, ang gusto naman ni Bank X, since wala na siyang cannot go to other banks anymore because he was rejected and thereafter their liquidity, so RCBC have bargained to have 3.2%. Nakuha nyo na? Nakuha nyo ba? Class. Ibig sabihin, tingnan natin ito ha. Cut. Paste. Pag i-multiply mo ito sa 4%, okay? Equals ito times 0.04 kasi 4% lang, di ba? Ilan ito? 20
million po.
20 million yan. So, yan yung interest. Dito, magiging ilan? Equal
4,500,000 po.
4 million. Teka, hindi ko na i-compute 4,500,000. Okay, tama tong computation natin Okay. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya. Formula din. Sige. Di okay. Yes, sandali na lang. Gawin na rin nating Okay. Times 0.03%. What do you get? 450. Okay? Tapos ito naman, 100 million times ano? 0.032. Tama ba? Is equals to, what do you get? Okay. Ngayon, bakit hindi ko isinama si Bank X? Hindi pa tapos kasi yung negotiation, di ba? Pwede kong, basta ang alam natin, at 5% lagi ang ibabayad ni, 5% ang ibabayad ni ABC. So, ibig sabihin, bakit? Lagyan na natin, 5%. Ibig sabihin, pag mangungulekta si Bank X, ito, times 0.05. Okay. Tatandaan nyo yan, ha? Yan ang sisingilin ni Bank X kay ABC Company. Yan dapat ang ibabayad ni ABC Company. Okay. Pwede na itong gawan ngayon ng ito times 0.05 is equals to, bakit meron na namang ito times 0.05. Alisin na natin yung basta yan ay 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basta yan ay 12.5 million. Okay? Nag-a-appear lagi yung compute nyo nga. Alisin nyo yung percentage. Teka. I-format natin. Basta ito is 12.5 million lang siya, ha? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Naduduling ako. Okay, 12.5 million. Okay.
Ma'am, tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko na ang makuha po ni Bank X yung 5% po ng 1 billion
1
po?
billion. Okay. Kasi ang kinukompute natin dito is magkano ang kikitain ni Bank X sa pautang niyang sa pinautang sa ninegotiate niyang loan sa iba-ibang bangko aside from yung kita niya na 5%. Nakuha niyo ba?
So may separate po siyang cut, tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, of course. That's why it's called syndicated loan. Ibig sabihin, siya ang parang alam niyo yung ano ba tawag? Parang nag-ahente na makakuha ng, but that is internal to him. Kasi siya lang naman yung kausap ng ABC Corporation. Si ABC Corporation, hindi naman siya pumunta kay Y. Hindi naman siya pumunta kay Banco de Oro. Hindi naman siya pumunta kay RCBC. Okay? So, ang direct na kausap niya is ABC Corporation. Tapos, ang ginawa ni ABC Corporation, nag-extend lang siya ng 25% ng 1 billion, tapos kukuhanin niya yung 500 million kay Bank Y. At babayaran niya ng 4% lang. Kaya may 1% na siya doon. Babayaran niya si Banco de Oro ng 3% sa 150,000 na ipapautang ni Banco de Oro sa kanya. Okay? Tapos si RCBC naman, babayaran siya na, magpapautang siya ng 100 million, pero ang gusto niya is 3.2%. Nakuha nyo? Nakuha nyo ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Ngayon, what is 3% of 150 million? Okay? And then, you have here equals this amount of loan times 0.032. 3.2% kasi, di ba? Okay. Ay, mali ang ginawa natin. Dapat ito 5%. Kasi ito na yung 4% eh. Ay, 3%, 2%. So, this one should be equals this amount times 0.05%. And this one should be equals to 100 million times 0.05% is equals to this one. Okay. Ibig sabihin, pag ito, deduct it here, what will you get? This one
5
minus
million po, ma'am.
this one is equals to, yan, 5 million. Do the same in here, and therefore, ito yung mga kita, ito, ang kita in addition ni Bank X. Ilan ba yung ilan ba yung kikitain niyang 5%? So, lahat-lahat, ang ibig sabihin niyan, kung ito kasi ay 1, tama ba? So, ito yung kita niya doon sa kukunin mismo sa bangko niya. Ito yung kikitain niya kay Bank Y. Ito yung kikitain niya kay Bank X, ay Bank BDO. Ito yung kikitain niya kay RCBC. Ngayon, question is, was it a wise decision for Bank X to provide the 1 billion loan of 5%? Madaling sagutin, di ba? It's definitely going to be yes, because with only 250 million that is going to be provided to ABC Corporation and the rest will be provided by other banks, he's going to have all of this. Okay, anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag kwininta mo ngayon, this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, ang ibig sabihin, yan ang Kikitaing interest earning ni Bank X sa 250 na pinrovide niya kay ABC. Ang talino ng kanilang ang talino ng manager ng Bank X, 'di ba? Naintindihan niyo ba? Ang babayaran kasi sa kanyang interest, ang babayaran kasi na interest ni Bank Y ay ni Bank AB ni borrower ABC, ang babayaran lang ni ABC ay ganito, 5% ng 1 billion. Ang 5% ng 1 billion is equals to
50 million po, ma'am.
1 billion, no? 1, 2, 3. Times 0.05. Okay. Ayan dapat ang babayaran ni ABC. Teka, i-insert ko yung pictures, draw shapes. Ito. Si ABC Corporation sa 1 billion, ito ang ibabayad sa kanya. Tama ba? Nakuha niyo ba? Ito ang ibabayad ni ABC kay Bank X. Okay. Nakuha niyo ba? Ito, ulitin ko. Ilan? 50? 50 million.
Kailangan pala natin mahabol ng
50 million ang ibabayad ni 50 million ba o 500 million? No. 50 million ang ibabayad na interest ni ABC dito. Pero tingnan niyo yung tingnan niyo yung ibabayad niyang mga interest. Tingnan niyo yung mababayad niyang interest. Ito ibabayad niya 20, tapos ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Kwintahin niyo yan. Yan lang ang kailangan niyang ibayad na interest doon sa mga nagbigay ng loan sa kanya. So were you able to understand the concept now of the syndicated loan? Ngayon, tell me if it's legal or illegal.
Legal po, ma'am.
Legal. Kasi naman, hindi lang naman ABC magbibigay siya ng pera. Siya din ang parang guarantor ng ng ABC na ito at ito, parang ito ang habol nila, ang kaya nilang habulin ay si Bank X. Kasi walang kinalaman si ABC Corporation. Alam nyo, dapat hindi malalaman ni ABC Corporation na si Bank X ay pumunta kay Bank Y, Bank BDO at saka si RCBC. Dapat hindi niya yon malalaman. Kasi pag malaman niya, anong pwedeng mangyari? Come on. This is now business operation. Bakit hindi kinakailangang malaman ni ABC na nakipag-negotiate si Bank X kay Bank Y, kay BDO, at saka kay RCBC? What do you think? Maybe the reason why? Kung malaman ni ABC Company, anong most probable na mangyayari?
Kaso,
Kaso on what ground? Hindi naman pwedeng kasuhan ni ABC Corporation si Bank X. Kasi na-provide naman niya yung 1 billion na inuutang di ba? I'm sorry. Anong pwedeng mangyari? Sige, i-analyze nyo. Remember, ang kausap ni ABC ay si Bank X lang. Si Bank X, pupunta kay Y, pupunta kay BDO, pupunta kay RCBC. So, ang ibig sabihin, RCBC, Banco de Oro, at Bank Y, ang kausap nila mismo ay si Bank X. Nakuha nyo ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Ibig sabihin, si Bank X ang hahabulin nila kung hindi nakapagbayad si ABC Company. Nakuha nyo? So, yung amount na kikitain ni Bank X, hindi lang naman ganon kabilis na kumita lang siya. Meron ding kaba ang dibdib niya kasi hindi niya alam kung ABC Company masusustain niyang bayaran yung kabuuan ng inutang niya. For example, na-bankrupt yung negosyo ni ABC. Sinong hahabulin ni Bank Y? Si ABC ba o si Bank X?
si X.
Si X. Sinong hahabulin ni Banco de Oro? Si Bank X or si ABC Company?
Si X.
Si X. Now you know the context of what a syndicated loan is. Okay? Although ang daming extrang interest na nakuha si Bank X, meron pa rin siya ng kaba ng dibdib kasi ang kausap niya ay si ABC Company at hindi niya alam, no matter how big and how well managed the company is, meron at merong risk involved sa pagpapautang. Although ang unang criteria is capability and the capacity to pay the credit, hindi pa rin nawawala ang risk involved. So, there is the concept of the syndicated loan. Did you get that right? I hope class naintindihan niyo siya. Naintindihan ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay? Meron na ba kayong bagong learn? Is there a new information that you got out of this? It's a simple mathematics, right? It's not really something that's very complicated. You just have to know where you will assign the different interests. You know what are the factors that you have to deduct or you have to add. And then it depends on what the question's going to be asked later on. As long as you know the concept of a syndicated loan, then there's no difficulty in you trying to analyze this case. I hope you have learned something today again. Okay, do you have any question?
None po, ma'am.
Okay, that's according to Mr. Kiamba. How about the others? I hope you understood the lesson today. Early this morning, there were about 19 of you. But now, there are only about 12 of you. So yung iba lumayas na, hindi na na-sustain yung yung pakikinig. That's all right. Anyway, they can review naman the video that's going to be forwarded to me later on by whoever have recorded it. Okay. Do you have any question, class? Okay, with that, thank you for coming, and I hope you have learned something again today. So next week, we'll try to see each other again and learn how we can probably work on the recoveries of the deficiencies that you have in the classroom. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Stay
po,
safe.
ma'am.
Thank you po,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you po.
You're welcome.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss,
Yes.
pwede pa po i-report yung mga natitirang slide?
Sino to?
Si Lee po. Lee
Angelica?
po, Miss.
Lee. Iba si Angelica?
Yes po.
Iba si Lee.
Yes po.
Ala.
Yes po.
Teka, anak ha? Sige. Would you want to report it next meeting?
Yes po, yung slide 21 and 22 po, Miss.
Slide 21 and 22. This
Yes.
Angelica Quimley?
Yes po.
Alin ba first name mo, anak? Di ba yung Angelica?
Angelica Kim po. Second name ko po yung Kim. Tapos yung last name ko po ay Lee.
Ikaw magre-report ng 22
Slide
at saka...
21 and 22.
Sige, go. Sige. Yung iba pa, baka may
Miss.
kakilala pa kayo. Meron pang ibang slides na hindi na i-report para lang makumpleto niyo yung yung record niyo. Okay? Sige, bye-bye. Okay, please share me the recorded lecture today so that I'll be able to send nyo na lang sa akin, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Dahil mukhang tatangkay. Balik pipila pa ako sa treasury. Doon magbabayad. Tapos,